What is going on, everybody? So we basically took a break today and we went out there and we got a burrito. I got me a beef burrito with the hot sauce, a little bit of carrot and radish. They got this burrito truck in down at El Camino, right on the corner next to the gas station. It's called La Perla. I think it's called Angel or La Perla. And we're gonna try the burrito. Just take that out like that and try the burrito. See what happens. And we're gonna put some hot sauce. Try the hot sauce. Whoa. Let's take a bite. Look at that. Look how big it is. And try the hot sauce with it. Let's take a bite and see what happens. Not yet. I haven't. Took a bite, took a little test, but not yet. But let's see. I'll take another. Hot sauce is kicking. It's good. Yeah, it's okay. Tastes good. Not like the other ones, but it's okay. I'm not knocking them down, but it's good. You can say it's good. I think it's like maybe the most. Let me take another bite of the burrito. Yeah, I taste better burritos, but it's good. Don't get me wrong. I give it a 7. A 7. Look at that. I think I gave it a 7. Let's take another bite. Yeah. All right, everybody. That's a 7. That's a 7 for it. Burrito, beef burrito. Can't complain. We'll see you later. Let's finish this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. For an emergency roadside assistant in San Francisco. Yummy, yummy, yummy.